Okay, so I need to get something out of my bag. I need to find something. So I'm gonna just do a what's in my bag. A what's in my bag. These are all my little trinkets that I have on my bag. All those. And then inside I have my sunglasses. These are prescription, and I've had those for a very long time. I have my keys. My AirPods. Some nail glue. My mini accessory. And this has a pen and some cards and some paperwork. It's like my wallet. I have a card. I have some hand sanitizer, a garage opener, some lotion. I'm going to be changing that out though today. Some chopsticks for my hair. Some Fenty oil. It's pretty. Some more amber oil for fragrance. A hair thing. This is what I was looking for, this charger. This is why I needed to go all the way in my bag, so I just made a what's in my bag. My crystals in a Juicy Couture pouch thing. My pen. Two tags from Uptown Cheapskate. My card case. My mirror. One of those OxyClean pens for stains. Another hair tie. Another one. And a Anastasia eyebrow pin. And that's everything that's in my bag. And yeah, I needed to get into the whole bag just to get this. So that's why I made a video of what's in my bags. And I love what's in my bag videos also. So that's another reason why I made this. So that's everything. Later.